J Mac from Syracuse, New York. Man, came all the way out to see my Colorado Buffs.
What channel do you watch that brought you out here?
The pregame show.
Never watched the college game till last season when Coach Prime came to Colorado. And I am in Colorado at Folsom Field. I am the Colorado Buffaloes auntie from Texas. Sweet treat.
Hey, I've been following the pregame show. It's all about let's go Buffs.
Away from Texas, yes sir. Watch you every single day. Nobody lays it down like Uncle Neely and the pregame show.
Neely, pregame show behind the scenes of everything. And why does he get that kind of access? Why does he get that kind of access? Because trust is involved. You would never get the kind of access you desire unless there's trust and relationship. You're trying to put your up on game. Spoke before the last two dubs. Come on, baby.
All right, guys, this game is the start of making November the month to remember and proving everybody wrong. All of us got to do our jobs, and we will win. So let's go beat these fools.
There's a misconception, there's confusion about who you are. Are you the team that went down to Orlando? Are you the team that went to Nebraska? Are you the team that dominated our former game, our last game? Are you the team that played like this, that ran the heck out of the ball? Are you the team that couldn't stop the run? Who are you? Are you the team that takes the opening kickoff and do what you got to do with it? Are you the team that goes out there defensively first and gets 3 stops and a punt? Who are you? This is the week that you stop the confusion about who you are. Right. And you can stop that with consistency. Whoever you are, I need you to be that. But I need you to be that first and foremost and fast. We're going to start this game fast and we ain't going to stop. We're going to start this game aggressively and we ain't going to stop. We're going to start this game dominantly and we ain't going to stop. Matter of fact, let's go start this game because we ain't going to stop. Now give me my theme music. No one won't us.
Today's captains for your Red Raiders. Quarterback number 2, Aaron Morton. Linebacker number 10, Jacob Rodriguez. Tight end number 80, Mason Tharp. Defensive lineman number 52, DeBraylon Carroll. Serving as honorary captain, representing West Texas Landbound, Victoria Whitehead.
Joining us for the squad talk is Victoria Whitehead. She's representing Texas Landbound. Today is Celebrate America Day. One thing that's Veterans Day, we have a very special call for today's talk. Texas Tech grad class of 2020. Navy SEAL, special operator second class, Mr. Nathan J. Ingram was lost at sea, serving Kentucky. Special operator Ingram face will be representing heads. The Navy Special Warfare Command logo will be representing tail. Colorado Wizards. Listen, these are players Colorado won the toss. Which way do you want to kick? Which side? Colorado has won the toss. Third. Texas Tech will receive. Great game.
Excuse me, guys. Loss of 3 yards on the play. Brings up second down.
stay down and go for his upfield shoulder. But you tiptoeing and then trying to, listen, go for his upfield shoulder, okay? Don't jump though, don't go for the ball.
Hey, what's up, Red Raider Nation? David Collier here with your live look at the scores from around the country. Let's go and go to the board. Check that out. Number 4, Miami falls to the Rambling Wreck with Georgia Tech.
Somebody make a play, and I'll beat you.
Ohio State.
Let's go. Let's get a break. Here we go. D.O.B.
Red Raiders singer-songwriter and Depot District legend, William Clark Creed.
Not the first person. The first person secured the tackle. The second person coming up with things, okay? Keep playing the wood. Don't get bored with the details. Do not get bored with the details. Good job. Keep playing. Good job. Hey, because we're going Tampa, right? So now it's big box. Y'all showing your ass off, right? Because you got the toolbox. So we can fit 7 man spacing and we can get Tampa. They can't fuck with us now. You understand? They cannot pass the ball all day and win. That is not their game. Alright? This shit about to flip real quick. Stay focused. What coach just said. First person tackle. Second person come get the fucking ball out. Let's get it going the other way. Good job. Good job. Come on. So we're trying to slow him down for the linebackers. So make sure you goddamn chip him or hit him before he wind on the release. Hey, look where he's at. If he cheated out, you know he's coming out. Hey, y'all doing a good job, baby. Hey, don't get bored with the details. Don't get bored doing what you're supposed to do.
Put the motherfucking fire out, get stopped. 37, 38, 7 hole. Let's go. Come on, kid. Come on. Let's go. Here we go. D.O.B. D.O.3. 1, 2, 3.
A man who needs no introduction, but I'm going to introduce him anyway. Mr. Brown.
Who, me? What's going on, man?
Hey, man, let me tell you, when I saw your face, I remember how I felt when I realized that your channel has subscribed to my channel. I said, man, I done made it.
Man, I'm following. Hey, I see everything y'all doing. I'm watching.
I appreciate that. Tell me about what made you come out today.
Coach Sanders. I texted him, I said, I ain't got nothing to do today. Can I come to the game? He said, come on.
You dress different, though.
Well, this is my chill and thrill outfit. This is what I do to chill and thrill.
Now, you know, you and I both got some gray hair. So, I mean, we're a little older, a little wiser. My grandmama, may she rest in peace, she'd have raised hell all this food they wasted.
Man, they are wasting. And look at what are the little holes in it for?
I guess they help it fly.
No, I can't say on this channel what they do, how they get them in here. They told me they smuggle them in here a certain way.
Oh! I'm glad I ain't picking them up with my hand.
They told us don't pick them up. That's what they told us, don't pick them up, because they smuggle them in a special way.
What do you think of the game so far?
We gonna get it together. You know, we just gotta settle down. Everybody get in the groove and let's go win this thing. Because I think Kansas, somebody lost today. So if we win today, we'll be right up there.
Absolutely, got a lot of game left. Appreciate you, brother.
A lot of game, man. Good to see you.
Oh, man.
Nobody. I'm not asking for nothing else crazy. I just want you to do your fucking part. If you do your part, we will be just fine. Does everybody understand this? All right, we're about to come back.
Aaron Morton, the ball carrier.
We're going to have to score on the next
Gain of 9 yards on the play. Brings up 2nd down, 1 to go. Mata's extra point is good. Makes our score Texas Tech 13, Colorado 7.
Hey, just make sure you get out. Be careful doing that because he tried to pump, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. You got some burn. You got a little bit of burn. I thought you were too rare for a little bit. Then you got caught. Then he got caught. You feel me? I thought it was too rare, then he got caught. Then he got caught. Hey, I told you. Hey, they were dirty and they got so much. Where do you guys play with that block? Yeah, but it's like he's still, like I'm like this. I got on there. Yeah, first one. The first one and then and then rock. Just make sure you're not in a rush. Okay? Alright, just make sure you're not in a rush. I'm fine with double in there. That's the way I wanted to be flat there. Alright, you gotta keep catching them.
Sometimes the bomb might explode.
Let's go, right down, right now. Right down, right the fuck down. Move your fucking down. Go get a fucking half a yard. Go get a half a yard, keep the fucking drive going. You understand? All time I'm going to be double tight, hard to inside out, respect the fucking movement. All right, sit your ass in there. All right,
Gino Garcia's field goal is no good. And that's the end of the first half with our score Texas Tech 13, Colorado 10.
Coach, 3-point game at the half. Defense really stepped up that first half and held them.
It's a blessing that we've been playing horrible and we've only down by 3. Offense got to get it going. Defense, we got to continue getting stops. We started off horrific, but we've been right now wrong. But we got to play much better football.
So at this point, you like what you see in momentum-wise?
I don't know about that. We got to play better.
Go get them, Coach. God bless you.
Hydrate.
Get your fluids, man.
Players get in. Get out the way. Let the players get in.
Get your fluid, man.
Water.
Get your fluid, man. Get your fluid. Come on.
If I want to get Come on. The fluids, man.
Like, I didn't have a good grasp of that.
That's all
I was looking over that nickel. I didn't see that backwards.
So where y'all from?
We up from Miami, Florida.
All the way from Miami.
All the way from Miami.
Appreciate y'all coming, man.
Hey, man, we love what you guys are doing, man. We want to support you in every way.
Appreciate your family.
And we're recruiting at home. Everything we see at home, we bring it this way.
My man.
You gotta believe. Dude, we've been believing since day one,
That's
dog.
why I gave them to
Remember
you.
back in Jackson State? We've been believing with you in the pregame show.